7.3 power stroke. This is how to put the glow plug in really easily. This is a windshield washer vacuum tubing, 5/30 seconds. It clips right over this little nipple on the glow plug. This is what a regular one looks like. If you have one, you probably know. So just clip that on here, and it's pretty simple. Just get right down in here. A lot easier than I thought. Just kind of drops in. Take that tube and just spin it. Get this little thing screwed in there. Just pull the hose off. And then basically that's it. Just go ahead and tighten it up. Let's get your ratchet and a couple extensions. Go ahead and snug her down and tighten it up a little bit. Tube. That's it. This is the tube for the glow plug that I found on YouTube, where they told you to put it over here and put it on there. That works great for putting one in brand new when you're right here, but getting this on the plug is the part they didn't tell you about. So it's hard to push this on there when it's in the truck. So what I did is I took this one when it was out here. This is my little contribution. Pinch where the end is, and then you'll know that's about how far you need to put it on when you go in the truck. So if you take these pair of pliers, when it's in the truck, you'll be able to push down like that. And then it'll actually clip on. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to get that on. And you can spin it out. So that's what I figured out. Hope that helps. So this is what it's going to look like going in the truck. So I've got that pinch, just like we talked about. And I'll give a demonstration on the back one. It's the hardest one. So there's the glow plug down in there. And so you're gonna wanna reach in here and just do what we talked about. Wedge that, push that on there. When it feels like it's clipped on, just go ahead and give her the twist. And it comes right out. Perfect.